We had another trailer before, and we researched 2 years before we decided to buy Grand Design. We're glad we did. The service is great. We bought it from Happy Days in Livermore. They've absolutely been great. We're getting ready to retire next year and take off for a couple months at a time. And this is the one to do it in. We just like the space. It's just right for us. It's not too big, not too small. I'm not a very good backing into places, so this is the smallest Solitude. That's why we bought that one. This is the second rally we've been to. We met friends and they're here. We all hook up again, and we're getting ready to go to Oregon in June to the Seven Feathers. A lot of fun, a lot of nice people. Everybody just wants to have a good time. We're really happy we bought a Grand Design.
Yeah, we haven't really had any problems. We love the product. Yeah.
If we were to buy another one, we'd buy another Grand Design.